Hello, my friends, and welcome back to EasySpeak podcast. My name is John, and today we are going to talk about something very important. Something that controls our energy, our actions, and even our dreams. Today's topic is motivation. Many people ask questions like, why do I start learning English, but stop after some time? Why do I feel excited one day and tired the next day? Why do I sometimes feel strong and focused, and sometimes feel empty and slow? To answer these questions, today I will talk about a very famous and powerful book. The book is called Drive: The Surprising Truth About What Motivates Us. The author is Daniel Pink. But don't worry. You do not need to read the full book. You do not need difficult vocabulary. Everything in this episode is explained in simple, clear, beginner-level English. You only need 3 things: your ears, your curiosity, and a quiet moment for yourself. In this episode, I will explain what motivation really is, where real energy comes from, how you can use motivation to learn English better, and how to continue even when your energy is low. So sit back, relax, breathe slowly, and let's begin this journey together. Part 1. What is motivation? Now imagine this. You are sitting at your desk. Your English notebook is open. Your pen is ready. Your phone is silent. Everything looks perfect. But inside you, something feels strange. Your mind says, learn English. But your body says, maybe later. This small fight inside you is the beginning of motivation. Daniel Pink starts with one simple idea. Human motivation is not simple. For many years, people believed that humans only work for 2 reasons: reward and punishment. This idea is called the carrot and the stick. This system works for animals and for very simple tasks. But it does not work well for humans. When the task is long, creative, or emotional. Learning English is exactly that kind of task. The author explains 2 types of motivation. The first one is extrinsic motivation. Extrinsic means from the outside. For example, money, grades, certificates, pressure, fear. Extrinsic motivation can work for short tasks, but it kills creativity in long tasks. The second type is intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic means from the inside. This motivation comes from your heart. You learn English because you enjoy it, because you feel progress, because it makes you feel free. Intrinsic motivation is quiet but strong. It is slow, but long-lasting. Daniel Pink says true motivation has 3 parts: autonomy, mastery, and purpose. Autonomy means freedom to choose. When you choose how to learn, you feel lighter and stronger. Mastery means getting better step by step. Not perfect, just better. Progress creates motivation. Purpose means your deep reason. When your reason is big, your motivation becomes strong. Close your eyes for a moment. Ask yourself, why do I really learn English? That answer is your purpose. This is EasySpeak Podcast. My name is John. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning. And thank you for growing with me. Bye for now.